Okay, checkpoints 14.11.11 was along in the following code. Well, if you look at here, it says about polygon, incompatible types. Polygon cannot be converted to parents. So we need to create the polygon. I will use the lowercase. So default constructor, then polygon. Let's put some points. That's the one. And add all with multiple values. So I'm going to make up some numbers: 200.0, 50.0, 150.0, 150.0, 250.0, one more to go. Okay, maybe we can add some colors. Set field color. Sorry, the C blue. Okay, complain. Import the scene paint color. Okay, I import it. So here you go. Okay, now we need to create a layout. Stack pane might be easier to use. I'll just say as root. Stack pane root get children at polygon. Okay, of course I need to import the stack pane. Then we can add it to scene. So scene is here. We can now add the layout called stack pane. I call it as a root. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Normally we put the title, so let me set title. Let's say polygon example. So that's it. The problem was you cannot add the polygon object directly. You have to create the object using default constructor. Then you need a pane, in this case stack pane, before you add it to scene, and then scene you can add it to stage. Okay, the primary stage is stage. Okay, let's try. Okay, we have a polygons. Okay, that's it. Thank you.